Right, so last video we had a look at how the Unity engine is used in practice. Now we need to take a step back because we really didn't understand much of what was going on. So we're going to learn the fundamentals now, and for that I need you to visit the website code.org. Now this website utilizes a very simple visual scripting language to demonstrate very important aspects of programming, and I will refer to these exercises from code.org once we learn how to do them in code ourselves. So without any further delays, let's hit the website. Now, if you click on the link I provided you with in the resources of this video, you should land on this website. And the first thing that you realize is that this is kind of Minecrafty, and it's sort of a way for kids to learn programming, but it really works extremely well for adults also. You just have to jump over your shadow, you know? So you can just select a character. It really doesn't matter at all. And what we need to do now is we have those blocks and we need to arrange them so that the player reaches the sheep in this case. So this is already filled out. When the game runs, the player should move forward 2 times, then he reaches the sheep. So now let's hit play. And that's it. So then we click continue and we get to the next exercise. And you can see there are 14 or 13 exercises. And I really want to encourage you to try all of them out. They are a kind of low-level introduction to very complex topics that we will tackle later on. So you can see here, there's already the next exercise. I have finished it already, so let's start from new. We need to move 2 tiles upward, so 2 times move forward, and then we want to destroy this block. And when we hit run, exactly that's what's happening. And this is how code is executed on the computer. It's line by line from top to bottom. So it always starts with an action, and once an action is completed, it will start with the next action. That's called a sequential execution order. Now, I want you to pause this video and try to do those exercises on your own. And once you've done that, you can unpause the video and continue watching it. And I will talk a little bit about the most important concepts that we should take away from this exercise. So have fun coding. All right, now one of the important things that you should take away, that there's not just actions, but there's also these loop blocks. And those are pretty important. We will get to them later. What they do is if you put in here a 3, this block will be executed 3 times. If we add multiple blocks in there, all of them will be executed in this order. You can see the whole block is executed 3 times. So those are loops. Pretty important concept. You're going to use those on a daily basis. The second thing, if you did the challenge puzzle on level 11 and 12, is also extremely important. This is called an if statement. Now, if we take a closer look at this, it just checks if there is a lava block ahead. And if there's lava ahead, in this case, we will place a cobblestone. If there is no lava ahead, we won't place a cobblestone. So this is also an extremely important concept that we'll talk about in length once we are ready to do so. Now, I hope you had some fun with this exercise. I know it's kind of childish and so on. So in the next video, we will have a look at real code in a console. So you can look forward to growing up from visual scripting to real programming. See you there.